Sly, the fox, loved to eat grapes. One fine day, he was taking a stroll across the beautiful countryside. Suddenly, he stumbled on a grape vineyard. Sly's mouth watered as he saw the grapes hanging from the vines. Sly started to jump to get a hold of the grapes. It was high up there, and reaching it was not easy at all. He tried but failed again and again. As Sly got tired, he felt angry on the grapes and decided to walk away without tasting any of them. He thought that the grapes must be sour. But the very next day, he came across the same vineyard. To his surprise, he saw some of his friends feasting on the same grapes that he rejected the previous day. One of them looked down and smiled to him. It's easy to despise what you cannot have. Sly's head held in shame as he went on his way.